Hey guys, I got something to tell you.
What's up?
I lost all my money on the squid coin, man.
Wow.
Guys, listen. I was on one of those hotlines, all right, and I was like, "Tell me what to buy," and the
Not
lady,
a 1-900.
it was a Zoom one. It was a Zoom one. Now they do it on Zoom, man. Come on, you got to come in thousands. No, I'm joking, but congratulations to all of you who well, no, we're praying for all of you who had the squid coin.
Well, this altcoin set the record today. They're down 100% this morning. So whoever holds it in the weekend just wiped out this morning.
Wait, which coin are we talking about?
Yeah, will you explain it to the audience? Of course, I'm kidding.
Well, I thought that Squid Game was supposed to have one winner.
Yeah, exactly. But there's apparently no winners.
Nobody won.
Nobody won.
Somebody did. Somebody made out on that. Come on, some guy made that and bought Bitcoin with it as soon as everybody bought it, right?
All right, it's like this. I think with the with the hot trend with the Shiba coin, and also with the Dog coin, Squid Game made their run last week. All right, it was up so high, in the weekends, and then all of a sudden today, this morning, it down 100%. It got to zero, and everyone got wiped out.
What? Is this the Shiba coin, Shiba Inu coin, or a different coin?
No. Shiba is still number 9. They made the top 10 last week. But
so
now,
what coin is down 100% today?
Squid Game.
Okay.
Yeah. So this was a meme coin based on the new Netflix series. Now, Will, was this made by just some dude, or was this an official Netflix coin? I'm assuming this wasn't made by anybody actually associated with the Squid Game.
It has to be a mimic coin. Someone made it.
So it was a joke, and people got excited and actually bought it, and then it went down 100%.
Yep, exactly.
What was the price at its high? Does anyone know?
I have to take a look at it. I mean,
it's not looking up. Do you guys want to watch me Google?
Well, there's a couple of different ones. It looks like there's Squid Game, and then there's Squid Game token.
Yeah.
Squid Game is down 99.99%.
Yeah.
It was. Let's see.
What was the high? What was the high?
That can't be. What is this?
With like a 780.
It says $2,856.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Okay. Is that true? That's crazy.
Wow.
This was today.
Okay. All right. I think this is a good segue into what I wanted to say. And people ain't gonna like this, but I gotta bring people back down to reality. Ladies and gentlemen, I said it before, and I'll say it again. The crypto market is not immune to stock market forces. Anything that is a tradable market, like you trade stocks, bonds, futures, forex, is a market, which means that it is going to move and behave and act just like a market. So when you see people not using rules and common sense that you would employ if you were trading or buying, investing in stocks, and say, well, this is different, this is crypto, you don't understand. No, it's the same. Markets do not change, ladies and gentlemen. There's a reason that things are priced the way they are priced. All right. For instance, the Shiba coin, it's not even worth a penny. It's like 10,000ths of a penny. That means it's worthless, and you're putting your money in there. It's priced that way for a reason. Now,
to make things so ridiculous, it's in top 10 in the world right now.
Yeah, because of volume, not because of price.
Bingo.
I don't care if everybody and their mother was buying the S&P 500. If the S&P 500 was still trading at 1987 valuations, which it was priced at 600 even, I'm not in it. Why would I buy the S&P at 600, which is where you're saying it's at, when the Dow is almost at 40,000? That is the worst investment of all time. It's priced at all this open interest, and it's still not even worth a penny. Get out of here. This is a sham. All right. If you went to any major Wall Street firm, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, they would laugh you out of the building if you said, I would like for you to invest in this company. Our stock right now is worth 10,000ths of a penny. They would call security and have you marched out of the office.
Dex, check this out. Right here, max supply. But it's like US dollar. There's no and total supply.
So it's
590 trillion coins.
Really? 600 trillion, really?
And you got people out there talking about Shiba Inu to $1. It's like, no way.
Dude, this is a penny stock. It's a penny stock scam. All right? People think that the altcoin crypto market can't be a penny stock scam. It is. Everyone's trying to get rich buying something at a millionth of a penny, hoping that it goes to $50 in a day. So they can say, I'm a billionaire. No. Markets do not work like that. This right here is a prime example. You got 589 trillion, and the thing is still not even breaking $1. Really? Whatever, man. This is nonsense. Don't get sucked in to the nonsense. Stick with stuff. That is really about something like Theta and Ethereum. Things that actually have a real life application that companies and corporations and governments are using or are planning to use.
And Will mentioned that it's what, number 9 now? Yeah, number 9 total market cap.
I don't care if it was number 1. I don't care if it's number 1.
Oh no, I understand that, but I'm just saying it's up at number 9 now. That's how many people have put money into it.
What kind of drugs do you take?
Exactly. That was right on time, man. Right on time.
It's just like Dogecoin. I mean, come on. It's just repeat and repeat. I mean, we get this in every quarters. I mean, there's certain coins it's going to pop up. The volume picks up. It has no value at all.
It is a trash coin. I'm sorry. That's why it's not on the PulseWave report.
Look at this.
I don't care if the open interest.
Bingo. See, I watched the top 20. I always do that. Even back in
it's right below DOT. DOT is a legit challenger to ETH, and it's
right
below it. You got something that does nothing. Listen, when someone's talking to you about it that doesn't know anything, that's your clue that you really need to probably take your profit and run.
Exactly.
Yeah, when the noob tells you about Shiba.
I have to say though, I have to be fair. I've been saying all along, don't buy this, and I was wrong.
Wow.
I ruined your life. I ruined your life by making sense. And
wow.
I've been doing this my whole life. I've been making sense and ruining people's fun. It's basically the guy I've been all along, and I'm sick of it. So buy that Shiba, people.
Wow. And you'll be living in a box by the end of the week. Unbelievable.
Frank's lost his marbles now.
Unbelievable. This is what we got to contend with, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what else to say to people. I don't know what else to say. I think that this whole mania, I think people are just starting to panic because they realize that, the economy is collapsing in front of them, and they're just desperate to hurry up and get rich or what have you.
Desperate for yield.
Yeah, they are.
Yep. They always go for the use. Exactly.
Why wait until the end of the game and panic when you could have been a PulseWaver all this time and you could have been stacking your money? Every subscriber with the PulseWaves is making money.
For real.
Why aren't you?
Well, that's why they're normies.
By the way, for all of you who would like to come out of the normie shadows and join us in PulseWave heaven, we have coupon code Brandon. I reactivated it. I checked. It was dead for like a week. So
wow.
Coupon code Brandon, $100 off your pro subscription for life. So that's only if you're upgrading to pro. But make sure you take advantage of that. I reactivated it. It's now good through the end of December in honor of our wonderful dear leader.
Well, all right, let's go, Brandon.
Let's go, Brandon.
It is code Brandon, by the way.
That's what's up.
Code Brandon. By the way, I want to welcome everybody tonight. We didn't even intro the show. I just started with my stupid joke tonight. So, but we have, of course, Dex the Algo Capitalist. Our wonderful panel is with us, Kramerica and Will Hong, HK Trader. But we've also got some people killing it in comments. Of course, the famous cat trader is here, Jen, our executive assistant, and she's trading her squid for Shiba. We're very
Have you learned nothing?
Dex, we gotta help her. No, she's joking, of course. But we've got our sixth panelist tonight. The Naked Truth is killing it here in the comments. So thanks for being here.
Big time. And basic universal income is on its way, people. You don't have to worry.
You're not kidding, and it's already here for a lot of Americans now after the last whatever you call it, where they started giving everybody checks on the 15th per kid.
Pretty much,
yeah, per kid, depending on income. So before we go, I know you guys we plan on doing a brief show, but we do got to look at our best friend Bitcoin. So it's looking interesting. This is the daily on the left and the weekly on the right. What are you guys thinking? Whoever starts first.
It looks like, see, the chart that I'm looking at is, what do you got up there? Coinbase?
This is the trading view. But yeah, I believe it's the Coinbase one.
Coinbase one? Yeah, okay. So I'm looking at a different one. It's still looking like it's in a pullback channel on the daily. On that one, it's actually triggered the top side of that SAR, and it's flipped to where the support's underneath it. The one I'm looking at is not that way still. So I'm still thinking we're still in a pullback state right now, but it could change very, very quickly because it's riding up on that channel top right now, testing the top side of it. So
yep, that's kind of what it's looking like to me too. But you can't ignore the reports. On the report it's saying that the momentum is still pointing to the downside, and actually it's locked in. So I'm expecting a temporary pullback here, but it could morph into something bigger if certain conditions are met, and then you'll notice that on the dashboard. So, but overall, it's still locked in the green zone on the daily chart. So, it is a possible buying opportunity here, but it's also a lookout below if we get that sell signal trigger as well.
Well, I'm looking to scale out if in case they keep going up high, but I won't add anything at this point. So,
okay. Yeah, it's acting a little skittish. It's kind of reminding me of gold and silver right now, especially gold. Mm-hmm. Gold doesn't know what it wants to do. 1800, it's struggling with that 1800.
Guys, before we go, let's ask a real expert. Okay, Jen confirms she's a BTC hodler. We're good. All right, we've heard the final word there from Jen. So. Thanks for being with us, everybody. Guys, always great to be with you on a Monday night, and very, very good information. Of course, folks, we want to remind you, coupon code Brandon. Go to PulseWave Trading. Check out our pro membership. It's typically $199. You can get more than 50% off for the life of your subscription using coupon code Brandon. Good for the rest of the month. All right, thanks for being with us, everybody. Thank you, panelists. Thank you, guys, in comments. Everybody was amazing tonight. We'll see you soon. Take care.
Peace out. Right. Thanks, fellas. I appreciate you.
We appreciate you, man.